28 samples.
You didn't want to leave him a chance. Did you feel anger? Hate? He was
Bleeding.
begging you for mercy. But you stabbed him. Again and again and again.
Again.